to deliver complex information in your pitches? Do you ever think about how you might do that? Well, I was thinking about it, and technology is exploding. It's progressing exponentially, and we're all posting information on social media all the time, and all that information is staying out there on the web, on the internet. What's going to happen to it over time? How will it be managed? Now, that's quite an interesting piece of information, and when you think about it, it's a complex idea, it's a complex issue, but it doesn't really contextualise it for me. Now, if I said to you, by the year 2070, there will be more dead than alive people on Facebook, that feels quite different, right? I've taken this sort of big kind of conceptual idea and I've distilled it down. I've given it a number, I've given it a time limit, but I've also contextualized it for you. Wow, okay, now I can see that balance has really swung. What do we need to do? We need to do something about all of that data. So if you're pitching and you have incredibly complex information, if you have very conceptual information, or you have very data-heavy content, it's really important that you contextualize it for your audience, especially if you're delivering it to mixed audiences. So somebody who's not as technical as you, who won't have the same language. How do you contextualize it and make it make sense to somebody else? If you do that, you will create a connection with your audience, and also your message has a much stronger possibility of landing. So the next time you have to present or you're creating a pitch, really think about how you can contextualize the information to help it make sense for your audience. They'll really thank you if you do. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.